Greetings, mathematicians. It's math time. Today we are learning how to use scale factor to find missing measurements. Scale factor plays an important role in the geographic information system and when creating a model of an actual figure. For example, a model car or a blueprint for a building. Let's begin. Scale factor is the ratio that is multiplied to produce a reduction or an enlargement. Here's a helpful scale factor proportion you can use. The proportion consists of two ratios that are equal. In the first ratio, you'll provide your given information, the scale. Then it's equal to the model dimension over the actual dimensions. Let's try our example. A blueprint is drawn using a scale of 1/2 inch is equal to 6 feet. If my bedroom is 12 feet by 14 feet, what are the dimensions of my bedroom on the blueprint? There is two dimensions or measurements, length and width, means you will need to use the scale factor proportion twice to find each dimension. The questions ask for the dimensions of the blueprint, means you'll be solving the scale factor proportion for the model's measurement in inches. The given information represents the actual room's dimensions. Let's start by setting up our proportion to solve. We'll put in our given information, which is the scale, which is 1/2 inches over 6 feet, is equal to the model. We do not know the dimensions for the model, so we use X. Then 12 feet for the length of the room. Now we have a proportion to solve. To solve all proportions, you cross multiply, set up an equation, then solve for the unknown. 6 times X is 6X. 1/2 times 12 is equal to 6. Now we have an equation we could solve using inverse operation. To undo what's happened to our x, we'll do inverse of multiplication, which is division. So we'll divide by 6 on both sides. So our x, or our length, is equal to 1 inch. Now let's do the same process to find out our model's width. So we have our scale in the first ratio, 1/2 inches over 6 feet is equal to, we do not know the model's measurement, so we put an X, and our actual measurement of the room's width is 14 feet. We have our proportion, let's solve. 6X is equal to 1/2 times 14 is 7. We have an equation here we could solve using inverse operation. X is being multiplied with the 6, so to undo that, we'll divide by 6. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. When you divide, you'll get X is equal to 1 and 16/100 of inches. So the dimensions for the room on our blueprint will be 1 inch by 1 and 16/100 inches. Thank you.